Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a Autowatch Ghost to a 2015 Range Rover Evoque. Customers a bit paranoid about obviously them cloning the key and taking the vehicle away, so we fitted this product. How it works is every time you get in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, insert a push sequence, which can be anything from 4 to 21 pushes. Just to make it simple, we've made it 4. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you straightforward how it works. So ignition on. Here we've done the cruise control 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators will flash twice. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Obviously drive away. If you don't do that, the vehicle won't start. So if we leave it for a little while and then turn on the ignition, try and start it, see if the vehicle won't start. Okay. Also, this has the facility that when you're taking it for a service and you don't want to disclose the code, you can put it into valet mode. And the way you do that, again, ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. And on this particular vehicle, if you hit the cancel button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the indicators will flash 5 times. That's now in valet mode. So when I turn off the ignition and turn it back on, I can just start it straight away without inserting the code. There you go, straightforward. The only time this can come out of valet mode is 1, if you insert the push sequence again when you get the vehicle back, or 2, if someone takes it for a drive and exceeds a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit for 15 minutes constantly. No reason for them to do that if it's going for a service or a car wash. What it will then do, it'll actually jump out of valet mode and go back into ghost mode. So when they turn off the ignition and they turn the ignition, try and start it, won't start until it sees a push sequence. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of valet mode. So just basically ignition on, insert your code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. That's now in valet mode, so it's protected again. Another feature of this product is if you want to change the code, maybe someone's seen the code and you want to change it. And this is also very straightforward. So how you do this is ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, foot down on the accelerator all the way down, insert the same code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the indicators start to flash, it's now in learn mode. So what we're going to do now is we're going to select this side. So any button that's on the network, if we push it and it flashes the indicator, it means we can use it. So I'm going to insert a standard code again on this side this time. Every time I push it, it's going to give me flashes. When I pause, it's thinking that's the code. It's going to give me 3 flashes to say I've accepted it. Then I'm going to repeat the same code again. It will then give me 2 flashes. Say I've seen the same code again, I've accepted it. If it sees 4 flashes, you haven't put the same code in twice and it won't learn it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, 3 flashes. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes means it's learnt the code. So if I now turn off the ignition and go back to trying the old code. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Won't accept it. So ignition off, ignition back on, new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, start your vehicle. Really, really straightforward, really simple to use, protects the car really well. I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.